do, gang, man? It's your boy Colin. Life is Thurm, man. Checking in with you guys, man, with another video today. Another banger on the way, guys. Let me put this up, guys. Excuse me. I don't have my hair cut, so I'm not really liking how I'm looking without the hood on. But today, guys, we have a big car meet coming up right here in about 10 minutes at the Liberty Mall. And we got pretty much most of the club pulling up. We got all the Widebody Hellcats in our club pulling up. And we just gonna see what it do, man. So as you guys can see, man, I'm here at the right there. I'm right here at the Touchless Car Wash, man. We about to get washed up. I didn't have time. I actually haven't got the car wash since I came back from Detroit, man. So the car is pretty dirty. I did a little touchless wash and stuff like that, but I did not have time to actually wash it up myself or get Roadrunner back out here to wash it up, man. So we're gonna go ahead and let this Touchless Car Wash do its thing, and I will catch you guys in a minute when we pull up. Peace. All right, guys, so we got the other members of the club pulling up. We see we got some people already here. We got Chrissy pulling up in the Durango. We got one of our new members here. Another scat pack here. Not gonna be enough room. We got Real Vibes. Got DeMarco. A couple other members pulling up. We got Prayers right there. What's up, bro? What's going on, bro? Yes, sir. How you doing? How was the slide?
It was cool for real. It was lit.
Hell yeah.
There's some nice little whips up there for real.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was your first slide with more power.
Oh man, that shit was lit for real.
Yes, sir. You about to drip out too?
Man,
Okay, then. You about to drip out? Hell yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, I just pulled up though. I swerved on the dating crew on the way up here.
Slide on them later.
Man. Uh-oh, we got an angry face here. What's up, brother?
You think I did on my face?
Right, I'm just recording. We had Rain pull up in the red eye. That thing, man, looking good. Hey, yo, Woods pulled up on us. Yes, sirski. Yeah, man, we deep right here. We definitely deep. Right here, clean. It's a red. Oh, just Hellcat. It's very clean though. I wasn't saying just the Hellcat. I got just the Hellcat too, so it's.
I wanted a manual, so.
Oh, it's manual?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
I can't get a red eye in a manual.
True, true. Same wheels as me on here, guys. Hellcat. Same interior as well. Clean. He actually went to the place I'm gonna go to get his ceramic coat. He didn't get a PPF, but went to the same place, so you guys can kind of see. We'll have the same type of. Dang, that thing is clean. Looks good, y'all.
Got it on me.
Yeah, yeah.
My brother been capping. Thurm been capping.
What? Capping never. I ain't even wearing the hat. I ain't even wearing the hat right now.
Against Booty Cat. Thurm cat against Booty Cat, and he been capping. I was gonna be the first race. I was. Before he been capping.
That's true, y'all. That's true, y'all. But then she went down to Atlanta and Florida and all these other places, and we never got a chance to race.
I told you we here today.
Ain't no where we gonna race the meet? Right up here.
Quarter mile. It's been decent.
15 minutes later.
All right, guys, so you see we just pulled up, man. We literally have the whole intersection blocked right here. Block the whole intersection, literally. So you gotta go around. Dope card. We got the minivan on some wheels right here, guys. Look at that. Mustang versus the BMW, y'all. Which one y'all taking? That nice Porsche right there. Huh? Yeah, that mug clean right there. That's clean. For sure. He letting that thing shoot flames, guys. That's crazy right there. Definitely want my Hellcat to shoot flames one day. Maybe. Got another Hellcat here, guys. A black one. Looks real dope. Can't even see it at nighttime, guys, but that midnight black is beautiful on these Hellcat Challengers. Okay, guys, and here we have a Lamborghini SV. This thing right here is sick. See the engine in there, guys? Got a nice grabber green Mustang right here, 5.0. Thing looks sick. Couple 5.0s. And we're back to the club spot, guys. We got Raven, we got the yellow, we got Christy, we got Queso Blanco, Patrick, Thurm Cat, Richie, Prez, Marty, Rio, AO Whips, my dude Brandon, Aaron, Rain, and last but not least, man, we got DeMarco. We're looking good right here, guys. Completely blocked the intersection, and we definitely took over this meet. Hey, cops are on their way.
Are they?
Yep.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Yep, too much noise. I already got the footage, though.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I'll go fucking roll then, because I ain't going to be here and shit when they,
And be stopped.
Yep.
All right, brother.
Roll in. I knew this shit was going to fucking happen.
Yeah. All right, bro. All right, man. Nice to meet you, man. So as you guys can see, man, everybody's rolling out. Cops are on their way, so pretty short night, but nice to get back in the car seat. Huh?
You want me to put the car on for you?
Are you dumb?
I won't come back though.
Oh my goodness gracious.
You see how Mustang's spinning flames?
Huh?
You see how Mustang's spinning flames?
Yeah, that shit was crazy. But yeah, guys, it was a short meet today, but it was nice to start the car season off right, man. So short, but it was still sweet, man. So we have a lot more coming up, guys. Stay tuned for the channel. Make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man. And Colin, Life is Thurm. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Might as well let it rain, man. They're already on their way. I like the glow up emblem right there. Hey. Don't hit me now. Don't hit me now. Yeah, you're not. Only yellow cars allowed right here.
No,
yeah,
white.
Yeah.
White.
Hey, kid, you know what she told me? She said only white cars allowed right. That's crazy, man. All right, I'll see y'all at Coles. Hey, easy there. Easy there. Easy. 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 No, I'm fucking with everybody, man. He's catless. He's definitely catless.